Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 6th, 2022. We are going to talk about Ice Cube being down with Dogecoin. Is that really something real? Is that something that could actually bring a little bit more legitimacy, value to this particular cryptocurrency? Well, don't worry about it. I got you. I'm going to talk about that today. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to give you all my price predictions as to where I am looking for Dogecoin to go in terms of price, so that you and I can be in position, so you and I can try to expect price movement so that we can be in position and win in the market. If today's your first time ever seeing my video, my content, then go ahead and like the video. Yes, because I'm actually here to show everyone that you can actually predict prices without the confusion, because let's face it, there's a lot of confusion already here in this cryptocurrency space about everybody trying to pump cryptocurrencies, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's Ethereum, whether it's an altcoin, whether it's Terra Luna, whether it's XRP, whether it's Cardano, wherever it is, everyone's creating videos expecting to be the next billionaire. Now, let's keep it real. We're looking at Dogecoin right now in the charts, and you guys can actually tell that this doesn't look like it's really that bullish right now, does it? Don't worry about it, I got you. So make sure you keep it locked in here. All right, join the team, hit the like button, and also subscribe here to the channel. Now, first, we're going to talk about this Ice Cube situation, about him being down with the Doge army. Let's go ahead and check out this tweet real quick, because he tweeted out right here, May the 3rd. Here's the tweet right here, of which he said, "Come on now with it, Bill. You know I'm down with the Doge army," because apparently Bill Lee, he did a tweet. Ice Cube, if you dig Doge, me and the Doge arm would take one as well. Talking about an NFT that Ice Cube is creating for his Big 3 basketball league. So now you guys can actually see from this conversation, from these two tweets, that it is creating utility. The market here is creating utility for Dogecoin. Now, this is what you want to see in order to create legitimacy for the markets, for any particular cryptocurrency. You want to see people use the cryptocurrency, because it legitimizes the reasons as to why people use it. And for us to see Ice Cube allowing Bill Lee to go ahead and use Dogecoin to buy some NFTs that Ice Cube is creating, that shows you that there's still some value here in Dogecoin. Whether or not Elon continues to tweet about Dogecoin or not, the market is still here. People are still valuing this particular cryptocurrency, which is why when you look at the chart, the market is not acting that negative. The market overall in Dogecoin is just simply trading sideways. So Elon apparently is on the Doge train. Ice Cube now look like he's trying to be on the Doge train, but let's not get it twisted. Ice Cube is only riding the Doge train because he's able to sell his NFTs for the Big League 3. That's it. If there wasn't no monetary value, if he wasn't trying to sell something to the masses, he would not be accepting Dogecoin. He would not even be tweeting about Dogecoin. But seeing that there's an access that you can converse and do commerce with a cryptocurrency, and in this situation it's specifically Dogecoin, it has value. See, I'm not the one that tries to offshoot every particular type of cryptocurrency that's being created and formulated. I'm not on one cryptocurrency train. If the market determines that it likes Dogecoin better, then I'll ride with Dogecoin. If the market determines that it likes Bitcoin better, then I'm gonna ride with Bitcoin. It's just that simple. Ultimately, the people will decide, the world will decide what cryptocurrency they value most. So now we kind of see that Ice Cube, he at least shows some value for Dogecoin. All right. So now let me go ahead and talk about where do I see price going in Dogecoin, because you guys can see that I don't have a price prediction on my chart. I left the market alone. I said, well, I don't really see too much going on into the market in Dogecoin. Now, the last time I did a video was on April the 27th, okay, which is right here. And I really wasn't expecting too much. Now, you guys can tell that since April the 27th, the market here in Dogecoin has been trending lower. Okay. But not to the point to where we're down there around 11 cents. So the market in Dogecoin is not necessarily extremely weak, but it is weak because we can tell that the market is trending to the downside. So let's go ahead and look at this market in Dogecoin from a longer term perspective. Let's see what the momentum is. So this is Dogecoin right here on a monthly time frame. So we just concluded with the month of April, right? And this is what the market has determined right there. Now, that doesn't look positively well. That's not good. We saw the market in Dogecoin on last month the buyers attempted to trade price above 17.5 cents, only to get rejected, and price came and closed all the way down there around 12.5. We don't want to see that. And I say that the reason why the buyers try to move price higher is because look at that volume. We haven't seen this much volume in Dogecoin since the month of October of last year. So there was a lot of selling going on last month. That's not a good thing for us looking for price to go up, or those looking for price to go up in Dogecoin. That's not relatively good. Now, looking at this from a 5 weeks perspective, you can see it right now. It doesn't look positively strong now, does it? Okay. 3 weeks. We got 2 days and 14 hours left. And I want you all to look at this 3 weekly price bar. It looks almost identical to the last 3 weeks price bar. Look at that. Wow. 2 weeks. Again, that chart doesn't look positively well for those looking for Dogecoin to go up. I'm a realist. If I don't see any indication that price looks like it wants to go up, then I'm going to tell that to my community. And these last couple of time frames that I've shown you so far, in the long term, it doesn't look as if Dogecoin is strong right now. It's not. And this is what Bill Lee is trying to do. He's trying to create some momentum, some demand, some interest into Dogecoin. But you're not seeing it on the chart though. It's not being translated or transferred over on the true information, which is price. We're not seeing people really buying into that Dogecoin. So now, I would say from the long-term perspective, we still got some weakness to go through. Now, for those who are long-term bulls into the market in Dogecoin, just chill out, just hold on, because it doesn't mean that from the long-term perspective, i.e. maybe a yearly basis, price in Dogecoin won't recover. It won't start to go back up. But looking at the chart now, we cannot expect the market to be bullish. So yeah, I'm going to play the weakness into the market in Dogecoin. This particular cryptocurrency does not look relatively strong, but let me give you this though. Not only am I telling you the situation that the current market is going through in Dogecoin, I'm going to show you how low I suspect the market to go before the buyers step in again. All right, so let me show it to you, because I can actually see, and I'm going to show it to you, where we can see chances to where buyers can step into the market. This is the first area. Okay, this is going to be the first price target, 12 cents. And that's close. Like, we're already at what, 12.5 cents right now. So if we see the market buyers step into Dogecoin at 12 cents, then again, we'll have to cut the play, grab that 6%, and move on to the next opportunity. Outside of 12 cents, I'm taking it all the way back down to that prior area of support that I've created on April the 27th, right there around 11. That gives us around 14% movement to the downside. Now, what I've shown you in the long term though, on that monthly chart, is it possible that we can actually see Dogecoin fall all the way down here to 8 cents? Is it possible? Because that would have to be the next level for us to see the market in Dogecoin come down towards. All right. I'll take it around 9.5. That's my third price target. Okay. 9.5 cents. Now, let me zoom in on this chart and put it right to show you what we're looking forward to. Okay. Now you guys can see it. The 3 price targets that I have right now is here at 12 cents. Okay. Second price target is 11. Third is all the way down there around 9.5 cents. And that's it. We'll see whether or not Ice Cube accepting Dogecoin for his NFT purchases that he's selling, if it will actually bring more demand, because if so, we will begin to see the market in Dogecoin do this. More people will begin to buy because they see the value of that currency. If they don't, we will see this price continue to go down. It's just that simple. So now we are in position. I've given you all my expectation as to where I see Dogecoin going. Now it's your turn. The comment section is open. You guys can go ahead and drop a quick comment and tell me where do y'all suspect the price of Dogecoin going over the next couple of months, preferably the month of May going into June, and we'll see which one is right. All right, that's it. I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different. I'm going to go ahead and bring this down, the restriction level down a little bit further, right around there. Okay, and that's it.